proactive English practice.
Oh no! The bag broke.
Your apples, they're rolling.
The apples! Catch them!
I got 3. Here.
Thank you. I had 6 apples.
I see 2 more next to that car.
Next to the car? Great.
I'll get them. Hold on.
Be careful.
Got them. 6 apples, all safe.
The oranges are okay too.
But the eggs,
Don't tell me.
3 eggs are broken.
3 broken eggs on the sidewalk.
You need a stronger bag.
I need 2 bags next time.
Double bags, that's the city rule.
Apples, oranges, and broken eggs.
Welcome to Saturday morning.
Thank you for the help.
No, my phone screen is black. Is the battery dead? I don't know. It just died. Do you need help? I have to get to Park Avenue.
Park Avenue? That's close.
But I must find it without my phone.
I can help. Go straight 2 blocks.
2 blocks straight. Okay.
Then you have to turn left.
Left. Got it.
You'll see a big red building.
A red building?
Park Avenue is right behind it.
Thank you. I must hurry.
Do you have to be there soon?
In 15 minutes.
You'll make it. Run!
I must charge my phone later.
There's a cafe on the corner.
I must remember to bring a charger.
Good luck!
These mailboxes all look the same.
Need help? I'm Tom, 3rd floor.
I'm Lisa. I can't find mine.
What's your apartment number?
2B, 2nd floor.
Okay, the first row is for floor 1.
The first row. So mine is in the second?
Yes, 2nd row. Look for B.
A, B. There, 2B.
It's the 3rd box from the left.
3rd from the left. Next to 2A?
Yes, right next to it.
And the key? It won't turn.
Push the key in, then turn left.
Push in, turn left. It opened.
There you go.
A letter from my mom.
That's a nice surprise.
Thank you, Tom. 3rd floor, right?
3rd floor, apartment 3A, above you.
Nice to meet you, neighbor.
Come on, work, please.
Problem with the machine?
It's stuck. Nothing happens.
Don't press so hard.
I pressed every button.
Insert your card slowly.
Okay, slowly. Like this?
Good. Now press the green button.
Green button. Pressing.
Don't press the red one. That's cancel.
I almost pressed it.
Wait for the screen. Don't rush.
I see the price. $4.
Push your card in again.
Push and done?
Take your ticket. Don't forget it.
I have it. Thank you.
Put the ticket on your dashboard.
On the dashboard. Got it.
And don't lose it.
After today, I won't lose anything. Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
Which bus?
Number 12, to the city center.
That stop moved. Road construction.
It moved? How do I get there?
Easy. Go straight. Past the bakery.
Past the bakery, then what?
Turn right at the traffic lights.
Right at the lights.
The new stop is across the street.
Across the street from the lights?
Yes, you'll see the sign.
How far is it?
5 minutes, maybe less.
Thank you. I was so lost.
The signs are confusing with the work.
Very confusing. Thank you.
Good luck. Don't miss the bus.
Oh no. Oh no.
What happened?
I knocked the glass off the shelf.
Don't move. There's glass on the floor.
I'm so sorry. It was an accident.
Are you hurt?
No, but I feel terrible.
It's okay. Accidents happen.
I'm so embarrassed.
Don't be. People break things every day.
Every day?
Yesterday, someone broke 3 plates.
3? Okay, I feel a little better.
See? It happens to everyone.
Do I have to pay for it?
No. It was only $2.
Are you sure? I can pay.
It's fine, really.
I'm sorry again. It was an accident.
We know. Let me clean this up.
Thank you. I'm never touching a shelf again.
I bought these shoes yesterday.
What's the problem?
They're too tight.
Too tight? What size are they?
Size 10. But they feel small.
They're not big enough for you.
My toes hurt. A lot.
Can I see? Yes, too narrow.
Can I exchange them?
Of course. Try a 10 and a half.
Here, let me try. Oh,
Better?
much better. Not too tight.
Walk around. Are they comfortable?
Yes, these are good enough.
Not too big? Not too small?
Perfect. Not too loose, not too tight.
The old ones were too narrow.
Lesson learned. Always try them first.
Always. Here's the new pair.
Thank you. My feet are so happy now.
Excuse me. This machine took my money.
What happened?
I put $2 in.
Okay, and?
I pressed the button. Nothing came out.
The machine didn't give you the drink?
No, I lost $2.
Which drink did you choose?
I pressed number 7, orange juice.
Let me try something.
What are you doing?
I pressed the button again, and
It worked. The juice came out.
sometimes it gets stuck.
So I didn't lose my money?
No, you just needed a second press.
I put money in. I pressed. I waited. I panicked.
Next time, press twice.
Press twice. Got it.
And don't kick the machine.
I didn't kick it. I thought about it.
I lost my shopping bag.
Oh no! What does it look like?
It's a white paper bag. Medium size.
What store?
That's the problem. I visited 3 stores.
Which ones?
The shoe store, the bookshop, and the cafe.
What was in the bag?
A book. And a receipt for my old shoes.
Is this your bag? Someone left it here.
Let me check. No, that one isn't mine.
What about this one? White, medium.
Yes, that's it. That's my bag.
Check inside. Is the book there?
The book is here. And the receipt.
Someone found it at the bookshop.
Thank goodness. Where was it?
On the counter. You left it there.
I was in a hurry. I forgot it.
These things happen. Don't worry.
Thank you. I'll hold this bag tight now.
Ah!
Oh no, are you okay?
That car drove through the puddle.
You're completely wet.
And dirty. Look at my jacket.
That's terrible. Here, take this.
A napkin? Thank you.
I have more. Take these too.
I'm so angry right now.
I would be angry too.
The driver didn't even stop.
Some people don't care.
My jacket is ruined. It's brown now.
Maybe a dry cleaner can fix it?
I hope so. This was my favorite jacket.
I'm sorry this happened to you.
Thank you for the napkins.
It's rainy today. Be careful of puddles.
I was being careful. The car wasn't.
True. Stupid Puddle.
Stupid Puddle and stupid Monday. I mean, Saturday.
Some Saturdays feel like Mondays.
So, who had the worst day?
Me! My bag broke on the sidewalk.
My phone died in the middle of the city.
I couldn't pay for parking.
I broke a glass in a store.
I bought shoes that were too tight.
I lost $2 in a machine.
I lost my entire shopping bag.
A car splashed dirty water on me.
Okay, the splash is bad. You win.
It's not a competition.
If it was, you'd win. Again.
But wait, good things happen too.
Like what?
A stranger helped you with the apples.
That's true. And Tom helped you.
The inspector helped with parking.
The worker found my bag at the bookshop.
Someone gave me napkins in the rain.
So many strangers helped us today.
The city is full of kind people.
And full of puddles.
And broken bags.
And tight shoes.
And vending machines that eat money.
But also kind people.
Kind people make the bad days better.
Worst Saturday ever?
Worst Saturday. Best evening.
I'll drink to that.